My, how time flies. It's Reese's birthday again.
Babies, you know what to do.
Red beads, of course. Red beads, lots of beads. Pink and yellow and green and blue and purple and blue string. Don't forget a great big bow.
I tried a little bite of Reese's cake. I think what you mean to say is you gorged yourself like a bear who just woke up from hibernation, and now we are left with the most pathetic excuse for a birthday cake of all time. Rosie, what have you done? I was just going to look at it, and the next thing I knew, I was eating it. Unbelievable. Well, hide the part that's been eaten. We brought a cake. You can never have too much cake. It's a birthday miracle. Bring it here. Rosie, you may as well eat the rest of that mess.
Reese, now that you're 6, are you too old for dolls?
Never.
This one's from me, Reese.